Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about coffee. Well, this subject comes under beverage technology. Well, it is a famous beverage not only in India but in the world. There are many types of coffees: black coffee, filter coffee, or any other coffee. Well, you must have drank coffee in any of the day in your normal daily lifestyle. Come on, let's go ahead. Coming to the introduction of coffee, coffee was there even before 1000 AD. Coffee was not an origin in India. It came via Mysore by a Sufi saint named Baba Budan. Coffee belongs to the genus Coffea. There are two types of coffee, especially Coffea canephora and Coffea arabica. What are green coffee beans? Green coffee beans is commercial term which designates the dried coffee seed from the coffee plant. These seeds are powdered and made into coffee. Well, you all must have gone to a coffee shop where a person takes the coffee seeds and put it into a machine, then makes a coffee powder. Well, that doesn't really mean that he directly takes the seeds from the plant and directly puts into a machine. That's not the way. There is a process of brewing of coffee. To drink a coffee and to make the coffee powder. There are four basic steps you need to follow. First, the raw coffee beans, that is the seeds, are roasted. Roasted coffee beans, then they are ground. That means then the roasted coffee beans, then they are put into a machine, then made into a powder. And after that, when the coffee powder is ready, it's put in a hot water and let it stay. The container should not move. Then when the brown liquid which comes down, which filters through, it's called the decoction, and that liquid is mixed with the milk and then they are drunk. Well, the fact is India is the only country to grow all its coffee under the shade. Well, it's up to you. Please write down the meaning in the comment. What do you mean by all its coffee under the shade? There are different types of coffee in this world and there are different methods to prepare different types of coffee. Well, the methods can be filter, percolator, French press and many other. Well, filter coffee in the previous slide, how I told you, is the coffee powder is put in hot water and then let it stay. Then a brown liquid, that is the filter liquid which filters down, that is called the decoction, which is added in the milk and then they are drank. So that is a filter coffee. And similarly, there is a percolator and French press too. As I told you, there are different types of coffees and there are different types of coffee methods. Previously, which I explained you about filter coffee, and now let's learn about instant coffee. What is an instant coffee? It is slightly different from filter coffee. It is also called a soluble coffee or a coffee powder. That means here you don't need the coffee powder to be put in hot water and then the decoction which is put into milk. No, you can directly mix the coffee powder in milk or in water. So the dried soluble portion of roasted coffee, instant coffee is commonly prepared by either freeze drying or spray drying, and it can be rehydrated after that. Well, instant coffee was invented by a Japanese scientist, Satoru Kato. What is the advantages? Well, compared to filter coffee, obviously instant coffee is more better and faster. It has a longer shelf life. Well, you must have all seen coffee sachets which is sold in the shops, like instant coffee sachets. They are like 5 rupees, 2 rupees, and it varies. And these coffee sachets are usually used in offices and in student complexes, in schools and in educational institutions. And about 20% of all the coffee beans are used in making this instant coffee. So instant coffee is in high demand. Now, since we have learned about instant coffee powder, now let's learn about agglomerated instant coffee powder and granulated instant coffee powder. Well, coming to first, I'll make you understand what is granulated instant coffee powder. Granulated means containing large granules. Powder consists of large granules. They are not fine particles. They are not even. So they are free from fine particles and gives powder excellent free flowability and solubility in hot water. And what is agglomerated instant coffee powder? Agglomerated instant coffee powder means it has medium sized to large sized agglomerations with minimum of fines, so giving powder superior free flowability and solubility in cold water. Now, to understand What is granulated? See, this is a common definition which I've searched from Google. The instant coffee crystals are similar to the powder. They are dissolvable and they but also in different form. So the crystals are small crystallized chunks of the dehydrated coffee powder. So it is usually result of freeze drying process. So during freeze drying, normally instant coffee powder, there is a coffee powder which is more finer, and there is a coffee powder which has coarse granules. So these granules, they have small to large size crystals, and these crystals are formed due to the result of freeze drying process. Mind you, I said you previously that instant coffee powder is prepared by freeze drying and spray drying, and during this freeze drying spray drying, small to large granules are formed, so they are called granulated instant coffee powder. So with this, I would like to end this video. Thank you very much.